So I reach down a new girl and I down a new girl, no man. So while I down a new girl, now I get one little house for rent. And I rent the house. It's a 2-bedroom house with a bathroom and a living room and kitchen. So I go and buy a couch set. And you know, I have on my satellite dish on the house. And I buy a fridge, I buy a dining room set, I buy 2 bed, 2 king-size bed, put them together in my bedroom. I have everything, we set up a place really nice. But I one lady live right next door to me and she have some daughters. And it was really nice to me. So when I go to church with her husband and she have a daughter them. She have a lot of daughters and so on. And she was nice to me. They make friend with me and I was friend with them because I'm a friendly person. And it was right next door to the house. So the lady offered to me that she could take care of my place. I like take care of my son and take care of the place when me I come back up because I never have nobody to leave my son down the way. And I put my son into a school down there in Negril. So I wanted somebody that you know, when could make sure that him alright and so on. Anyway, at this time my ex-boyfriend used to stay at the house. I tell him, alright, what you can do? She never pay the woman, just stay at the house. Make sure so my son go to school and everything. Can have a daughter by now. In time I'm talking about a daughter. Through all the years me there, we lose contact and have a daughter. Since when baby and not together, whatever, we meet him back. So anyway, me carry some things. Second trip, me bring some clothes for him, baby. And all them stuff for him, mother, bring things, just bring things for everybody. Bring things for the woman daughter them next door. Come see my fight with one shot. And the bleach out of all the night. So I buy a whole suitcase full of clothes, go and get him as much as I could get him. Anything I have and him ask me feet, me get him. Sometimes they bring me a cylinder gas, me get him. Because somebody stay. You understand? And just a joyful person. I used to go down to Negril, down to the plaza. When I buy the knitted bathing suit, the 2-piece bathing suit to make out a knit man, I say the woman I put it on for me. And the whole place a shake up. So what a body the girl have, my skin pretty. And my body in shape. I have the 2-piece of knitted bathing suit with a calabash handbag for match. Top and bottom. I tell us my body they turn up and look good. Yeah man. So me have everything in pack and white boy down there with me, but him don't want to come a road. He want to turn at the house. But in the mind, him like my ex-boyfriend. So my ex-boyfriend come around, and I have no problem with that kind of ex-boyfriend. And we eat and drink and so on. And I left come back and I left my ex-boyfriend down there. When I left him down there in the place, to my surprise, I get to find out him take broomstick and beat my son. Whatever it was, him said to my son or whatever, he take broomstick and hit my fucking son. And I send him some money one at a time for buy gas and make sure buy clothes to the house, make sure my son alright. And him say him last him bill for that come out of the taxi with over $100,000. He lose the whole thing, lose all him papers, him lost everything. And next thing you know, me down there for a little while, me realize the boy they don't own girlfriend down there. And somebody see him and tell me go hide and see the fuck out the orange girl we sell pussy. And I said to him, say, you know what? I don't want to do with them want to my place. The boy start to fight me and roll and thumb in my mouth. But we'd have a guy who drive the taxi and he used to drive me around in the taxi because I carry me everywhere me I got me pay him. The taxi wasn't his, it belongs to another man. And he drive me around a taxi. And same time they come up there and for whatever reason and the boy fight me and he rush in the house and grab the boy and slam the boy on the wall. And said to the boy, say, I strong now, but don't put your hand on her. I must say, whatever you do, say, you might tell you can't put your hand on the woman like that, you can't do it. And that you might tell the boy O'Neil, saying can't put your hand on me like that. So anyway, go on and tell me, say, you know, best thing I gotta do today. Tell the guy, you know, wait for me, I can't take no more problem. I put him, close them out. I'm going to put them out of the veranda. I come at the house till then and he must end up telling him take them. And say, I must rent place down on the beach. Anyway, but my house now and my son did it. You know, my son saying bring a new man come there. Because the other guy I'm talking to, I'm going to give him a name called Michael, was my friend. But Michael said him and him baby mother have all kind of problem and all kind of sit up. I didn't want to run into that man at a time, but he used to drive me everywhere. So, you know, many was real close. Many was real tight. And he look out for me and show me a lot of love and so somebody really like him. But I wasn't in love with him and not but really like him. So one night we are driving and I come back and do a break, you know. And then put up and he said, I can't drive no more, you know. And me I say, why? I said, I can't drive no more, no, because really truly more I confess me love you, how much me love you. And I want you, you know, babes. And Ray, and do you love me? I said, no, I like you, but I don't love you. He said, John, you brought me out, me a cry star, yeah, full of water. Because the way me feel about you. And that's the time I saw this guy is crazy. I start to think to myself. Anyway, him say I look a place for rent, because him and the woman and I get along. And you know one man have one place close up to where the same avenue I live on for rent. One little house. Anyway, he say he see the man and he want to rent the house. And him rent the place from the man. Next thing you know, he call me and tell me, say, no, so I live close to you, right? I rent like a house from the man, and then I don't know where I live now. So much time I used to go over there and hang out with him and check him out, so because him drive me around. And I don't want to live in the house with him on my Sunday day. And the people next door, because I have a guy who made a talk to a white boy, stand out for me on the avenue. White boy, say, I go back a foreign. He not nothing to do with me, and he done with me. He just want to get on the plane. So white boy did left and gone. So I went down there. Right? So I saw it go. And I saw me the guy end up start to talk and so. And him start to say to me, you know why you have the lady look over your son. And that's a lot of money, you know. And me live close to your son and I can just look over him for you. And you pay so much of $14,000 a month you pay for rent, you know. You can get a place cheaper. So I say, alright then, do what you have to do then. Because I trust you. So I go and he must go look one place. I forgot the name of the place. I live for Springfield, away place one call it. Springfield, we want call it. The place. And I find a big house up there. A big nice house. I never see the picture. It kind of like back then when you have cell phone a lot, you know. Yes, so basically what happened, you have cell phone, but it was not a lot like now. So basically what really happened, him get the place and him set up the place nice and everything and thing. And I come down and see the place so nice. Most pleased with the guy. Him take good care of my son love him and call him daddy. Him cook give my son, him carry my son go to school and pick up my son from school. I was very pleased with him. Very, very pleased with him. You know, at this time I say, alright, I'll get a car. You know, if you drive nobody car and I pick up my son and if you pay them some amount of money around time for them, maybe just get a car. So I go to the company and get a car. You understand me? I pay the amount of money I pay for the car, I almost don't pay the car. If I little bit of money on the car, nobody don't pay. That's a little bit. Come pay a majority all of the money for the car. When I take the car, I pay half of the money for the car and then I continue paying the rest. So I almost pay for the car. So at the same time now, I go and run the car, run taxi on the road every day. The house nice, place fix up good. Kitchen stock up with all kind of food. Big refrigerator, did a 65,000 dining table set, did it. Everything there inside, bathroom, kitchen, 2 big bedroom. Me have double bed in my bedroom. Everything nice. Me have money in the bank. Me setting straight. When I got Western Union, I can't money. I send me the bank. Can I collect my money with a knapsack bag on my back. I mean the guy I go on. So next thing me know now, the third time now I come down. The third time I come to Jamaica. When I come down, my ear say, all kind of sitting so woman up in my house, all kind of sit me start to hear, or make I park up a girl yard, and all kind of nonsense me hear. And then I don't want to take it too much to the heart. So I end up, cause the guy wine and dine me, you know, and wash all my food. But next minute I'm moving brother in him, they tell me nothing about it. I just come find him brother live there, him live there. You know, my son did it. One night I call him. Around 10 o'clock, I talk to my son. I tell him, no, my Sunday. I say, go find my fucking son. Are you responsible for my fucking son? You understand me? So anyway, he go find my son. I come from party down the road. He never bigger more than 8 years old. I walk, I come home up by himself. You understand me? I love my son so much. And I said to myself, say, alright, bam. And I come back America. The 4th time I gone back America. Next thing I gone down there. Miss long I wait for him for coming. He must go on taxi early morning. I said, oh, you not come it, oh, you not come it. When he do come now, I said to him, so I call you and answer. He said, somebody take my cellular phone. I said, oh, somebody will take a cellular phone. Oh, if somebody will take a cellular phone. And you say, you're a bad man, you're an old soldier from Jamaica, where we? I better some girl you give your phone. And I said that because they treat me different, they start to act different from how I used to be. When I go down there for the first time, I look at 3 girls come in my house, come sit down. One of them I braid up him ear, and him sit down, and one I braid up him ear in front of me, and the 2 sisters sit down, so them I watch TV. Everybody get fat off of my blood clot money. Everybody near know my fridge and my money, everybody I get fat. Because I take out the motherfucker in my life. Anyway, I didn't know when he go on. And him out there smoke with him lock up in the car. So I'm up on the car when they don't want to walk me. So my blood clot carry my car and go and talk to me. Anyway, me ring the number. When me ring the number now, I find out the girl answer. The girl say yes. I may have him blood clot phone strip a girl me come beat you. Ask him about me come tear off your face. So me go to him and say, oh, a girl get sell a phone, And he have one of my big gold ring on him finger. And me say, give me my ring, and him hook him finger like this. And me say, me take up the man down, me straight, me don't know how me lift up the man. And throw him like a blood clot ball away, me mad. And me and him catch a fight on the floor, and the man broke the candle. Me have the candle for decorate the place, you know. And he just broke it on the ground and just stabbed me and while me on the on the ground. And so me know when the fucking serious, and me get up and start to run. And me run out in some bush. And me have a Victoria's Secret road, because just done beard. And the man come out and start to hunt me and say, "He'ma go kill me with a big sharp knife, a big machete, them big sharp machete look like them big knife, and start to fucking hunt me. I'm gonna stay the tree and come off and come cut off my neck. And my son come meet me. And one little boy then called Tabby, when me take as my son, for send him go to school, for help him out and so in a school. But he go and go thief from my magazine and take my magazine and I fuck around with it. You want me to carry down the new magazine. I mean, when I was an out order like a boy, I mean, 229 to that. Very out order for them kind of thing. But anyway, long story short, him come and hold my hand. And the man march me in the house and the man start to fight. The man bust up the whole of my face. The whole of my eye swell big like a bullfrog. My hardly can't see out of my eye the way the man beat me. The man beat me till me black and blue. The man beat me and fist me and step on me with him foot. When me check the bank account and get for find out, me say, give me the bank account for go check it. I have 50,000 Jamaican dollar me having it. That time 50,000 Jamaican dollar came pay my rent and pay up everything me for pay up. All the rest of money me have in a bank, the man to put joint account. The man clean out all my fucking money. And this side of thing want to kill me. The man bust up the whole of my face, me tell you. He would let allow me out for go escape, go out for go doctor. Because he say no one police come for me. So he keep me in the house for days. Me did the whole of my face fucked up, me tell you. And as soon as my face could have draw down, the Indian one rent the place from see me and say, better go wash off yourself from the can. I say, ma, me not go up your man. She said, listen, the man go and kill you. You're going to have to go and rinse off yourself. As I rinse off myself and go and come, I see the man I come. I start to run at the woman house, the man run me down. Up the, and I try to cut off my neck over upon the wall. And when the man hold on for my neck, you know, the man with me asleep every night and love, you know. And I say, baby, me love you. We are trying to do. The man try to cut off my neck. And if put my arm, and my arm pick me have to use, you know. And lock the machete. And lock the machete. And I saw. First time I get in a call.